the rocks. See if you can see here. This one's what? Different. See, at $5. See, you can see I have a $5. Oh. Oh, I have like this, oh. $5.
Is this by the? I don't buy the piece. I just buy the piece. Yeah, I'm not paying. I'm not paying $5.
Let's see. See, the ceiling rocks $1. Oh, cannot to buy. Do you see? That's what we pick up also there. It's like have like this. That's what we take there. So see, we don't 10.35. Oh,
Para makabalo ko sa imong
5.40.
pagtaon.
Oh. See, manguha ako ani og bato day mamaligya tag bato. Oh. Ay, mahal man di ay no. It's expensive man di ay the stone, the rock. Oh. $20.
You're gonna pick some rocks and then sell it.
I know. It's gonna sell online.
It's a rock. Dito siya. Saan ako manguha na lang kung anig bato. Maligya, bato. So that's it, guys. See? It's expensive, the rock stone.
Shells, 3 for
Yeah.
$5.
See? Oh.
3 for
$3 It's a money. Oh, this is a nice stone. Oh.
Yeah.
Green.
It's like somebody painted it green.